Hey y'all, hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely, wonderful day so far. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video is going to be the long-awaited Temu haul that I have been teasing about on my channel for a little while now. And some of these products I bought myself with my own money, and then some of these products are going to be sent to me by Temu. But we're going to be talking about everything: handbags, shoes, clothes, price points, whether or not they are worth your hard-earned money. And of course, we're gonna be trying it all on too. So if that sounds good to you and you enjoy quality plus size clothing, but overspending just isn't in the budget right now, then please consider liking and subscribing, because that is exactly what we do here. And as always, I'm gonna include all the links to everything mentioned, good, bad, and ugly, down in the description box below. Okay, y'all, so we have a lot to get through today. I haven't opened up anything out of this package. This sucker is large, and let me just tell you, I have really high expectations, and I'm gonna be one mad mama if this shit is no good, okay? Just a really quick FYI, for those of y'all that are wondering, I have this package semi-opened, and there is a smell. There definitely is that smell. If you've purchased things from China before, it's got a stench for sure. Like, ooh. So I'm thinking that we're gonna start with the first box that I took out of the package. And yes, this is gonna be the smelly one that I took out of it first. And these are some really cute shoes. Like, since I was buying from Temu, I wanted to kind of push the boundaries, you know? I wanted to kind of try different things. And this is what the shoes look like. And let me tell you, these suckers stink to high heaven. They are not pleasant to the nostrils at all, but they are pleasant to the eye. I mean, so these are geometric platform heels with like this tri-buckle detail that goes all the way up the ankle. And I will say, like, at first glance, like first impressions, there are some quality issues. For example, this little black and white sticker that goes around the heel, I can see it's starting to come a little bit unglued. I mean, that's an easy fix, I will say that. But with all that being said, I still will 100% rock the hell out of these shoes until the wheels fall off, which may or may not take very long. But nonetheless, they are cute, they're funky, they're fun, and I mean, they're just awesome. All right, y'all. So the second thing that I picked up at Temu is going to be a maxi skirt and a top set. And it's actually one that I found on Amazon for like twice the price or something like that. And whenever I saw it on the Temu website, I was like, okay, I'm going to give it a shot and go ahead and see what's up, because it had like 5-star reviews and it came in several different colors, but I picked it up in black and I just took it out of the packaging, y'all. And I mean, it looks like it's gonna be cute, but I hate the fabric. The fabric has kind of a sheen to it, so it looks really cheap, and it almost looks like bathing suit material, if bathing suit material was see-through and really thin. And it also has the matching top that has the little belt wrappy-doo that goes around the stomach. You've probably seen this all over Amazon as well, but it was like $20-something on Temu and it was $50 on Amazon. Quite the bargain, especially if it's gonna look cute. And as you know, since it's a two-piece set, it can very easily be mixed and matched with other things. And I could totally see this top going very well with a nice pair of jeans. Also, I'm 5'10", so the skirt looks like it's gonna be a true maxi, which is nice. I mean, I'm not like overall hating this set, but it is a little bit disappointing, I will say, but I do think it has potential, maybe. So fingers crossed on that, but let me know your thoughts. Okay, so the third thing that I picked up at Temu is gonna be another set. It's gonna be another little outfit. And this is supposed to be like a super casual short set. And it has like waffling. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. And I don't even remember what size that I picked this up in. Maybe a 2X, I'm not really sure. But this is what the top looks like. And can you see the texture? I really like clothes with texture on here. My one and only worry about this top is that it looks real boxy. It's generic and it looks real boxy, which is something that is not good for a plus size figure by any stretch of the imagination. It's something that I try to avoid at all cost. It also has a bit of a smell, like it was sprayed with some sort of chemicals. I mean, it's like not super overpowering, but it's something that I think as a consumer, you should be aware of. And then it also came with a pair of elastic waisted drawstring shorts. Try saying that 10 times fast. And the drawstring is functional, and these seem to be pretty good quality. I mean, the fabric isn't quite as soft as I was expecting. It kind of feels like a rough tablecloth, but like I said before, I love the texture. But overall, I will say that I do really appreciate the wide-leggedness of these shorts. It kind of helps to avoid the whole chub rub situation. It might look like pajamas. I really don't know. Once again, I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Okay, y'all, so this is going to be the final clothing piece that I'm going to be sharing with y'all today, and then we're going to move on to shoes and handbags. And I just got to tell you, I am kind of pissed about this one. So on the Temu website, these were a pair of pants that I thought looked so nice. They looked like high quality linen. They looked like they had embroidery, and they were just really detailed and nice looking. In person, it ain't it. That's all I'm saying. Like, these just are the cheapest and worst quality pants that I've seen in a really long time. And that's saying a lot here on my channel, because we got some shit sandwiches that pass through here all the time, and this is one of them. So this is what the pants look like. For one thing, they are not linen whatsoever, so they're 100% cheap ass polyester. They're see-through, which did not look like that online. And then the back pockets are just like barely hanging on for dear life. And what's worse is they have the opaque polyester lined shorts that are built into the pants. I just, it's a nightmare. I mean, and these have 5-star reviews. I don't know what's going on. I will say, y'all, that the one and only saving grace of these pants is the slight like weaving or embroidery that it has on the side. So it's kind of like a tuxedo detail on the side, but it has embroidery. That's it. That is the only positive that I can muster to come out of my lungs for these pants. Like, the elastic of these pants are so bad. The pockets are super shallow. The quality is not good. They're see-through. And then they put brown little butthole stains on the back pockets for buttons. Like, come on. Come on, Temu. Y'all can do better. So let's talk briefly about handbags, because the Temu website has millions and millions and millions to choose from, and I can literally sit on that app and just scroll and scroll and scroll, add one to cart, take another one off the cart, add another one to the cart. I'm like super indecisive when it comes to picking out different handbags, but I picked out 2, and I have to say they're not great, but they're not awful either. So I don't take that for what it's worth, I guess. But the first one that I wanted to show you looks like this, and this is one that I bought myself, and I was expecting a little bit better quality, higher quality, like a heavier material and a heavier like metal. And this is very light. It's very like jankety, it's very clinky, which may or may not be a bad thing to some of you, because, you know, whenever you're carrying your purse, you put a lot of things in your purse and it's already heavy, and I get that. But I guess I was expecting like substantial, I don't know. But I will say that I love the design. I mean, the studded detail is super cool. It's a statement. And I mean, I love a good fringe moment. Fringe is just so cheerful, and it just is lively. It brings everything up. I just wish this whole thing was more, you know? The second one that I picked up, however, is going to be made of genuine leather, and it smells really good. And this is what it looks like. And I will say that whenever I initially took this out of the packaging like 5 minutes ago, it was so wonky and smushed in that I was just thinking, what a waste. What a waste of like perfectly good leather. But as it sat out in like room temperature, it has kind of taken back its form, its original form, and it's really not that bad. So this is what it looks like. It's a generally smaller handbag, way smaller than the first one that I showed you a couple of minutes ago. And it does have that ostrich leather texture that kind of raises the bar a little bit. But this was $40. So that's something that I really need to keep in mind. Is $40. You're gonna get what you pay for. But both bags are really cute though. However, if you're looking for something for the long haul, then you're probably gonna have to find something elsewhere, unfortunately. So the final 3 things that we're gonna be talking about today are going to be shoes, and I'm gonna try my best to breeze through these very, very quickly, because 2 of them are gonna be very, very similar in style, and then one of them is not even gonna be a contender because I can't get my big old feet in them at all. They sent me the wrong size, so normally I wear a size 9 US or 39.5 or 40 European, and they sent me a 35, which I think is a US 5, but I'll just go ahead and show you what they look like because they are really, really cute. So this is what they look like. They have a little kitten heel right here, and then they have this really nice black and white color blocking right here on the toe bed that I think is so sophisticated and sexy and just timeless and classic. But unfortunately, I tried my best to get my feet in these, and then it just ain't happening. My feet are too wide and too big, and those are just gonna have to be donated or sent back or something like that. But the other two are going to be super special and very comfortable. I just tried them on and they are so nice. So the first pair is gonna be like a higher end designer dupe. I'm gonna say it's probably like a dupe from the Hermes brand, and this is what they look like. So they have the traditional Hermes H right here on toe area, and then they have this really cool like metal detail that goes around the heel that I think is really nice, like a really cool design element. And I put these on and they fit very nicely, and they're also extremely comfortable, which is more important than how they look in my opinion, especially when you're 43. And then the second pair that I wanted to show you are also a designer dupe for the YSL something or others, and this is what they look like. And these came in other colors as well, so I think they came in like a tan and a white and a burgundy and then a black, and of course I had to get the black and the tan because it's just timeless and it goes with the majority of the stuff that I wear in my regular everyday life. But it has a little bit of a chunky heel, so they're very easy to walk in, but I love the whole little spike detail, kind of gives it a little edge. And they are also very well made, so they're real metal, they're not cheap, they have a little bit of a weight to it. And like I said, these are going to be patent leather as well, but I don't know if they're real patent leather. It looks like they're real leather, but I just don't know if they are 100% real leather. And then this is what the underneath part looks like. So very well made. I have to say, of all the things that I purchased and received from Temu, I have to say the shoes, like these two shoes, are going to be the best of the bunch. So if you're looking for a pair of shoes that don't break the bank and that are cute and comfortable and, you know, really make a statement, definitely pick out these because they're 100% winners. So yeah, that is gonna do it for this Temu haul, y'all. I am excited and also disappointed all at the same time. I had some really good ones and I had some really bad ones. Oh, I got my tag. I left my tag on here. Whoopsie. Thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and I'm gonna be seeing y'all very soon. Bye.